All right, another day. LME Africa, #1 transport. Focusing on this truck again. The last time where we left off was just showing I bought the truck for little or nothing. Need a trans, still got to put the trans in, but I just want to clean it out. And eventually I'm going to have to work on this door because it's real stiff and rusted out or either off track. So let's get started on the clean out. Might have to adjust this camera as well. All right, no, that's a good camera looking good. So it was worse than this. It was filled up with a bunch of furniture and stuff. Got this from one of my good friends, the Rev. Say shout out to the Rev again because he showed me some love. He was gonna get rid of it anyway though, but he still showed me some love though. So all right, let's get started here. Let's see if I got room. Throw these bags out. Give me some gloves on too. Get started. Nothing to it but to do it. Eventually end up painting this thing. The next mission gonna be this door. I think I see it off track. So getting this back on track, gotta need that because you gotta be Hercules to lift this doggone thing up. So hope y'all can hear me. Gonna get it cleaned out first. Might even paint it in here. Definitely working on this door. We'll be working on tinkering on that while I'm doing everything else. So let's get started cleaning up. see what you're working with. Gonna get this heavy ladder out the way. This time on this camera might go out, and we'll continue. If it does, I'll just stop. Might keep going, you never know, because you got real life going on. But might just stop just to be able to show y'all the whole process. I'm gonna leave this up so it's easy for me to just get back here. Oh yeah, we can see the whole truck. Yep. So I just got that ladder tilted up. That way I don't have to, I don't got to move it too far. I'll move it back up against the wall. And it's looking a lot cleaner. Got a lot of big pieces of glass over to the right. So I want to get to those at some way. I might just put them right in the dumpster. Yeah, I'll get those next, and we'll get that little dirt that's over there. Yes, at the end of the day, you gotta do what you gotta do, you know. At the end of the day, hey, gotta do what you gotta do to get where you're trying to go, man. You know, trying to build the fleet up for the transport company. Like I said, got the cargo van. I'm gonna have a video about how I did that, how I got that van for just $150 a month. Saved my money so I can invest it in equipment and other things. I could have cashed it out, but I saved my money by just, you know, buying it on the, you know, leasing it. They throw a few more dollars on there, but you know, hey, you can save your chunk. So this one, like I said, my friend gave it to me for little or nothing, and so need a trans. He's about to get rid of it, so decided to sell it to me instead of he was gonna junk it. Actually, it still starts good. So now gave it to me. So I'm just taking y'all through this whole process, how I find trucks, how I find cars. You know, just going on the journey with me. Everybody, I watch a lot of videos out there. Everybody do things differently. So just taking y'all on this journey with how I do things. But basically purchased this truck, trying to build a cheap fleet. A cheap fleet. And then you just progress from there, you know. So I was trying to let people take them on my journey, let them know you don't have to have brand new stuff. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money. You might spend what you have, but you don't have to spend a whole lot. See how many minutes we got left here. Look like 15. So we got some more time. Let's finish getting this cleaned up. All right, almost there. Get this thrown away. take this with me, just collect the glass in. Get this ladder moved back over. It didn't come with the ladder, but he threw the ladder in. I gotta pay my buddy back. One of my best friends I've known since we were young, so he ain't worried about it. He wasn't gonna be doing nothing with it no way, so take care of that. Right, let's use this garbage can to pick up the glass. Be careful with that. Right, gotta be careful picking up that glass. So we'll get that in a safe place. Got about 7 minutes left. Check it out, looking good. Finish sweeping the rest of this up and we'll probably be calling it a day. Yeah, I was doing a lot of other stuff trying to get my motorcycle fixed and just finished rebuilding the bathroom, and there I'm doing a whole lot of stuff. So I know I came out here and didn't do much, but it is a lot just getting this thing cleaned out. Like I said, getting it ready to get painted. Nothing spectacular right now, just gonna throw some paint on the walls and probably put some wood over this, or either seeing how long they are, the bad pieces, and maybe just replacing the bad pieces maybe. Might resell it, might keep it, not sure. Always trying to upgrade though. All right, let's get the rest of this sweeped out down here. I said, it's just a initial little clean out just to get out the crap that that was left in when I got it. Looks nice, clean truck. I mean, it's it's decent. I want to get it white and bright in here. Just makes it, it'll make it look like it has, it'll brighten up more, especially when the light hit it the